Okay, hello guys. Um, you are here again. So today is a review of um, what is it? Jump 75. So we took this trade about 3 days ago. I'll leave the screenshots on the screen. Yeah, this is it. This is it. So finally we hit TP. Finally, today is 7th of July 2026. So you can see we enter into some series of so apparently I should have taken the market because I marked the zone and I was waiting for the market to retest it. This is what I preach as always, guys. No matter what the market does, no matter what it does, don't change your bias about the market. I want the market to retest this place after this candle closed, this 4 hour candle closed. The market was now playing around, then came back here, almost getting to the place and went down. Here, I already even gave up that, oh, this market has left me. Some other people will find a way to enter this market around here, or see the market was going, they will somehow find an entry around here, and obviously the market will take them out. Guess what the market did? The market went back to my zone, gave me another. I was supposed to even enter it around here. You can see my risk and reward around here. Okay, I was supposed to enter it around here, but the fact that this candle closed pressure, I said let me wait for a rejection candle or for a counter candle like this. They gave me this very beautiful candle. See, going back, I had to wait for the strategy again to print there from there. So for like a day, the market was just ranging on one spot, so I had to box it. You get it? This is what you do to a ranging market. You box it. You mark out your top where the market has refused to break above, and the low where the market has refused to break below. Then you just box it. You get? So this morning market broke out, and here it is. So I posted it on our Telegram group. I called the trade on our Telegram, I think about 3 days ago or so. Yeah, I think about 3 days ago, and I called the trade on our Telegram group. So in case you're not there, you're missing a lot. You're missing a lot. Sincerely, you're missing a lot. You need to be there. So I will leave the link in the description below, so you can join the Telegram channel and take trade with us. This is purely synthetic indices. So that is that about that. So, and I have this particular one to job 100. Let's see what jump 100 is exactly. So here is jump 100. Here is jump 100, and this is what I usually preach as usual, that you don't allow the market to lure you into taking trades. Don't ever do that. Don't ever do that. Don't allow the market to lure you into taking trade. Wait for your strategy to print properly. Wait for it to print. So this is my bias about this particular market, jump 100, and okay, what I do as usual is to go on the higher time frame, then look for what the market is doing. Market is trending downward, right? Market is trending downward, obviously. So what we are looking at for is a selling opportunity. So let's come to 4 hour time frame. So let's mark the zone. Let me use another color. Let's mark the zone. So what I'm expecting, you can see how long I waited for this market just to play out. Sure. So I'm expecting this market now to push into this zone. I'm expecting the market to push into this green zone. Now, the truth of the matter is this. I know people who trade break and retest would probably have drawn their retest, their this like this, zones like this. Obviously, it's very correct. I'm not saying it is not correct, and this will have given them some kind of confirmation, a breakout of this zone, retest, and you know, and yet the market will still go back to their entry, even taking them out. Now, the issue is that is the issue with using one particular strategy to trade the market. That is, if you're using one particular strategy to trade the market, you will not always have market to trade. That is one. Secondly, you'll be prone to fake outs. You'll be prone to fake out. So this is just my analysis on this particular one. Jump 100. So I'm expecting the market to come this zone, come to this zone, give me a sign that it wants to go back down, and I'll be expecting the market to either come to this zone or to 100% retracement level to this place. Whichever way, you're still looking at it. So there's one particular one I'm in. I don't know if it's going to take me out for. Okay, let me just show you a couple of other ones that lets me to my. Okay, this particular one, market refused to retest to my zone, so we missed entry on this one. You can see we missed entry on this one. The market refused to get there, so we missed it, and a couple of other ones too. Not much, but a few of them. I already did this. So let me check V75 1S. Let me see what's going on with it. Okay, I think I'm still on point. So this is it. What prompted me to take this trade per se is this. The market is on its all-time high and has been giving me pressure to the upside. So then I scaled down to 4-hour time frame. Then I marked this. This is very pressure or 4-hour candle. I had it on my left hand. So that is how I do my analysis most of the time. Just holding your left hand, don't let it go, don't let it go. So then you come to 1-hour time frame. So actually I was expecting the market to retest this particular zone that I marked. Just retest it, then push. Then the market came and also gave me a fake out too. It just deceived me. Came back here now, you see, and gave me a rejection 4-hour candle. I was already happy that this strategy is fire. You get it. But you know, no matter how accurate your strategy is, it will always sometimes whine you. Yes, it will always sometimes whine you. So when I was looking at it, I was like, what's going on? So the market kind of whined me, but normally the way I set my stop loss, you get, is such that if the market should take me out, that means my analysis is wrong, because I always give it enough room to accommodate whatever manipulation that's going to happen in the market. You get it? And both my stop loss and my TP, I usually set it on 4-hour time frames. 4-hour time frames. To get 4-hour time frames. Don't crucify me. I set my stop losses 4-hour time frames. You get? So that is how I set it. I'm a swinger, so I'm not expecting a scalper to do it like that, because it will be too wide for you. You get? But if I set this stop loss on a lower time frame, believe me, it will have taken me out. Sincerely, it will have taken me out. I'm not a fan of. Yeah, I do 1:6, 1:7, even 1:10 sometimes when there's need for it. But the way I set my stop losses, the way I set it, I usually put it, use 4 hours to set it. Let me show you this jump 75 that we hit TP on. I will show you risk to reward. 1:3.5. You get 1:3.5. So that is that about that, guys. We've checked pretty much. These are the ones I'm looking out for. Apparently now, the one we checked first is the job 100. So this is the next on my target. This is the next one I'm targeting. So once I'm able to hit once the market gets to this point, I'll be looking out for potential sell opportunities on jump 100 and jump 100. So lest I forget, Tradewars Africa, me, I'm just a trader under the company. Yes, I'm just analyst. So we'll be hosting 3-day monthly bootcamp for beginners. If you're a starter, if you're just beginning, if you want to rub mind with other traders, other synthetic indices traders, now come on board. Every first, second, and third of every month, a monthly bootcamp. We do live analysis together, call signals and all of that. And you can also do it to join our Telegram group. As I said earlier, if you're not there, you're missing a whole lot. There are sometimes you call about 3 trades, 4 trades. I'm not a fan of multiple trades on in a particular account, but if you can pick one, let's say you miss the first one, miss second one, at least you should catch the third or the fourth. Just pick one that best suits you. Pick one and trade it. You can hold it for a day, half a day, depending on how the market moves that day. So that is that about that. All right, guys, that's my overview. Today is Tuesday. Yeah, that's my overview for the week. Yesterday I was not able to call any trade. I later did, but that the jump was it jump okay, volatility 75 one is still running, still in loss presently. It's in drawdown, but I believe it will go back to profit very soon. So we call trade almost every day, almost like we've been calling trade every day since we started. I should come on board, let's trade together. You get it? So that's basically it. So thank you, guys. Thank you so much for staying till the end of this video. And again, you can subscribe to this channel to get more info from us. Turn on your notification button, share, and basic things you do on YouTube. So just share, turn on your notification button so that when I drop a video like this, you'll be one of the first to see it. Most especially the market overview. At least it will give you an idea of what to look out for on a particular trade that we have called. Get it? So all right, guys, peace out.